Namaste friends. Today we shall see the ingredients that are most beneficial for our skin and also which are very easily available to us in the market. Once we understand this, we can mix and match all these ingredients depending on our skin type and use them in various products for our skin like scrubs, upton powder, face packs, etc. Herbs like neem, turmeric, and basil have high antimicrobial properties and they are also highly rich in antioxidants because of which they can help to reduce the infections and inflammation on our skin. Grams like red lentil, black gram, green gram, and Bengal gram have excellent cleansing properties and hence they can give a natural glow to our skin. Then rose petals and rose water would be very cooling, rejuvenating, and relaxing for our skin. Then all the other items that come under our Panchamrit like the milk, curd, ghee, honey, and rock sugar powder would be very nourishing, lubricating, and cleansing for our skin. Then all the other vegan milks like coconut milk, almond milk, rice milk, etc., also fall into the same category. The fibers left out after extracting the milks can be used as the scrubs for our skin. Even the rice starch and flours like wheat flour and oats flour, when mixed with water, can give very soothing and skin brightening effect. The rice flour has a grainy texture and hence it can be used as a scrub to exfoliate our skin. Gram flour or besan is little drying in nature, so it would be very good to cleanse oily skin type. And the oily nut and seed powders and pastes can be used for the dry skin type. Fruits that are sour to taste like lemons, limes, oranges, and tomatoes have skin brightening and lightening effect due to the acid content present in them. So the juice or peels of these fruits would be excellent for the oily skin type. It is better to apply these juices by adding honey to it to avoid very harsh effect of acid on our skin. And then we can even sun dry the peels, powder them and use them as needed. Peels can also be used as the decoctions or even in the bioenzyme form. Fruit pulps like the papaya, banana, strawberry, and vegetable juices of the potato, carrot, beets, and also even the avocado pulp can excellently nourish and give that brightening effect to our skin. Even the anthocyanin rich, the colorful flower petals can also be used to help our skin. Just remove the stamen, stigma, the calyx, and just sun dry the flower petals alone, and then you can powder and store in glass bottles to use. Or we can even make the decoctions and mix in different flours and use. Antioxidant rich wood pressed oils like coconut oil, sesame oil, mustard oil, olive oil, avocado oil, and even almond oil are excellent to lubricate our skin and delay aging process. And of course, A2 cow milk ghee is amazing for our skin. Market available vitamin E capsules are also great to lubricate our skin. Herbs like licorice, aloe vera, red sandalwood powder are great to reduce the harmful effects of the sunburn on our skin. They would help to lighten our skin color and also reduce pigmentation problems. Vegetable glycerin is also a great ingredient to moisturize and lubricate our skin. Egg white would be helpful to tighten our skin, and the same effect can be obtained from even the flaxseed gel or fenugreek seed paste as well. And last but not at all the least, our amla, the anti-aging ingredient. Please don't forget to use it in your skincare recipes. Not only externally, all these ingredients that we have mentioned here can be taken internally as well and correct our body and the cells of the skin from within, giving a beautiful external appearance. So let us make use of the various ingredients that are mentioned here, which are available to you at your place, and formulate your own recipes depending on your skin type and enjoy natural glowing skin. Thank you all so much.